Okay, good morning, dear students. We have so far studied the how to plot the graph of linear motion, uniform motion, non-uniform motion, accelerated motion, and so on. Okay, graphically we have been representing on a graph paper. Okay, now we are going to study equations of motion, graphical representation. Okay, so equations of motions are three very important motions equations are given, that is v is equal to u plus at. Second one is s is equal to ut plus half at square, and third one is 2as is equal to v square minus u square. Okay, now what is v? Final velocity. What is u? Initial velocity. What is a? Acceleration. And what is t? Is time. So that you know. But we need to prove all these three equations. In physics we say derivations. And how to prove? First of all, we'll plot the graph. You can see velocity time graph. Okay. Now in this you can see from 0 to a it is initial velocity u, and from b to c you can see final velocity, and d is bc will be v minus u. Okay, bc will be u minus v minus u. Now ad will be time, and that is equal to OC2. So in this figure you can see there is a triangle, there is a rectangle. Okay. Now the whole area OABC is a trapezium, but OADC is a triangle. Okay. Rectangle. Okay. Triangle is ABD and rectangle is OADC. Okay. Now first equation we need to prove is v is equal to u plus at. Now we know that a is equal to change in velocity upon change in time. Now change in velocity from where to where? BD upon AD. BD upon AD. Now AD is the time, BD is the velocity. Okay, that is equal to BD upon OC, which is equal to BD upon AD also. Now that is equal to BD upon time t, because AD is equal to OC. Now knowing this, we know that a is equal to v minus u upon t. Therefore, at is equal to v minus u. Now, bringing u this side and v that side, we have change of sign. So, therefore, v is equal to u plus at. So, the first one we have proved. If you have not understood, I will repeat again. A is equal to v minus u upon t, that is final velocity minus initial velocity upon time. Therefore, now a into t, when we multiply, we get v minus u. Now keeping v where it is, if you bring this side, the sign changes. U is brought this side, that becomes u plus at. So instead of writing u is u plus at plus u is equal to v, we write down v is equal to u plus at. Now second is the we have to prove s is equal to ut plus half at square, that is derivation of this. Okay, s is equal to distance travelled by object OABC. This is OABC. Okay. So therefore, S is equal to area of rectangle plus area of trapezium, that is a triangle, the whole triangle. So this plus this, rectangle plus triangle. That is, you know that area of triangle is equal to half base into perpendicular. You have studied in your maths class. S is equal to now OC into OA. Okay, OC into OA plus half into AD into AD into BD. Did you get me? Because area of triangle and area of rectangle. Now substituting the value, S is equal to OC is T. OC and AD is T, but here it is only, we have taken OC. OC is T, OA is U, plus half into AD. AD is T. Now BD is BD is equal to BC minus CD, that is V minus U. V minus U. In the figure you can see V minus U. Therefore S is equal to UT plus half into V minus U. Put the value of T, that is V minus U, because we don't have T in this equation, we don't have AT, no, we have to get. So therefore we have BD is equal to V minus U into T. Got it? A is equal to V minus U upon T, therefore AT is equal to V minus U. Okay, so now we put the value of V minus U and into T. This T remains where it is, and we put the value of T, that is value of T is 80. So now we have 2 here, 2 T's, so T square. S is equal to UT plus half AT square. Now coming to the, so we have derived two equations. B is equal to U plus AT, S is equal to UT plus half AT square. The last equation is 2AS plus 2AS is equal to V square minus U square. This is easy one. So S is equal to area of OABC. OABC. That is whole area, trapezium. So that is the whole area, that is trapezium. Therefore S is equal to OA plus BC into OC, the whole area. Therefore S is equal to U plus V upon 2 into this upon 2, that is half, no, upon 2 into T. OC is T. Therefore S is equal to U plus V into V minus U upon 2A. Why 2A? Because here T, we are substituting the value of T, that is V minus U upon A is T. So we put here T is in place of T, we put V minus U upon A. Therefore now S, we are multiplying S into 2A, that is 2AS, okay, is equal to, now you know A plus B into A minus B, that is A square minus B square. So it is V square minus U square. So 2AS is equal to V square minus U square. So this derivation is very important. You have 3 or 5 marks for this derivation, 3 derivations or 3 formulas that you have to, equations you have to derive. So please write it down carefully, and if anything that you have not understood, I will be back to you. Please write down and study. Thank you. Have a nice day.